Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to fix video is being processed on TikTok. If you've just uploaded a video on your TikTok app but you are seeing this kind of an error, then it means the content that you've uploaded is going through and under review for 30 minutes. So during this process, you'll receive this kind of a message. The best solution to the error is you can simply wait it out until your video has been processed. If it does not, the next thing to do is to make sure that you have a good internet connection. This might be the main reason why your video is being processed. When your TikTok is going through a server error, you might have this kind of a situation. So make sure that your internet connection is strong, and once you do that, you might be able to fix this problem right away. Next thing you can do is to simply clear out TikTok cache. Simply go ahead and open up TikTok app. From the main home page, tap on profile icon at the bottom right. From your profile page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right and select settings and privacy option. From the menus displayed, scroll down and tap clear cache. Once you clear out your cache from your TikTok app, you can go ahead and see if that fixes the issue. Also, try refreshing your For You page by dragging from the top of the screen towards the bottom. And once you release your finger, your For You page should be refreshed. Soon after you do that, you might be able to fix your issue for your TikTok video being processed. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.